Can't zoom in?
We can sit here and watch it for a minute.
Alright. Still ready, yo. You can't zoom in. Popcorn. It's popcorn. Like the rain's all over your fabric and your fabric putting it all. It's leather. It don't matter. Put it down.
Spot so. That's it.
Alright, oh yeah, shooting out the can. That was cool. What is that? Got cans, water spots on the can. The flares. Yep, they're shooting them all now. It's like it's getting away. Shoot them all. We're getting hit by it. What's that little one that just blew up? $10,000 worth of fireworks? Is that what the lady said in the store?
What lady?
She said she bought. She bought.
Who did?
I don't know.
$10,000 worth.
The lady in the store. The hopping set.
What lady?
The fat lady. No, that was not.
What fat lady?
In the hopping sack?
One that works in there?
Yeah.
She didn't buy no $10,000.
That's what she was saying.
She don't have $10,000 to spend on fireworks.
I know.
She wouldn't be working at Hopping Sack.
That's it.
31.
That was it. That's all the...
That was it. That's the shower.
Let's go. That was it.
These guys know where to go.
That's the biggest. Nobody wants to see him out. No, I gotta clean it.
It's all messed up.
Yeah, so dude, right here, this is gonna really seriously damage it.
It's waterproof.
Dude, it's not waterproof. Inside. Inside waterproof.
Because it's T-top to make the inside waterproof. So like 10 minutes worth of fireworks.
Mm-hmm. Are you still filming?
Mm-hmm.
What the hell, dude? Stop. Just stop.
I like the car in front of me.
Oh my god, that's wasting battery. Who wants to stare at light all day?